Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the developer console and confirming your game config folder. This gives you access to execute commands. Open your autoexec or create one so commands persist, and back up existing files so you can revert. Once done, identify the knife skin integer or collection code you want to equip. This is what the console command will reference. Make sure you have a clean server or local practice match to test, so you avoid VAC flags, and to verify changes safely. You now type the specific console commands to spawn and replace the knife. First run Cs2 so the server accepts give and replace commands, then give weapon knife to spawn a base. Next run the replace command using item def and paint kit ID. This swaps the model and skin. Once the knife appears, use host timescale and MP round time adjustments to stabilize testing. Make sure to execute each command sequentially and watch the console output for errors so you can correct ID mismatches quickly. You finish by saving the confirmed command sequence into autoexec. CFG so your knife loads automatically. This ensures consistency across sessions. If the model or skin doesn't appear, make sure the item def and paint kit ID are correct, clear the game cache, and relaunch Cs2. Incorrect ID are the most common issue. If anything breaks, restore your backup autoexec or set svcheats 0 and restart the match to return to a standard state. One quick troubleshooting tip: check console output lines for failed lookups first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.